Smile, hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how we can cure cough, cold and fever. Now first is fever. So according to Sujok science, all these tips are head points. So what do you do when you have fever? You put cold strips on your head, on your forehead. So take a ice cold water and dip your fingertips in chilled cold water for 2 minutes. And after that, remove it, and then we can put blue color on our fingertips, blue color, all 10 fingertips you put the blue color. And one more thing, look here, in index finger, any hand, index finger, the line which is facing the middle finger, this you make it blue line from top to bottom, from bottom to top, blue line or black line. And one more thing, in thumb yang side, between these two joints, make a blue circle. And just by doing this much, your fever will come down in 5 minutes. If it doesn't come down, you can take the medicine, but try this before taking the tablet, which is going to also harm your liver. So this very simple tip is going to do wonders for fever. Now in case we have cold, now we'll take the cold. Cold with or without medicine takes its own time, but we can reduce the intensity, or sometimes it just disappears. It doesn't trouble you. Even if it is there, it will not trouble you. So what you can do for cold, first of all, massage this with this ring nicely, especially the center joint, center phalange. Massage each finger nicely, and especially the center phalange of each finger. And then this is moxa. We'll learn how to use moxa. We'll burn the moxa. It has got Chinese herbs, and this will give good heat and also healing to your correspondent organ. This moxa will burn like a cigar. It has got Chinese herbs. So this is how we can burn the moxa. In future videos also, for various diseases where we have to give heat, we need to use moxa. So please see carefully how we can burn the moxa. Now, this is, just have a look, it burns like this. So now give heat to your chest area with moxa. Now take it as close as you can take it, your skin can take it. If it's giving too much heat, make it little far, and your hand should be like vertical, like this, so that the ash doesn't fall on the skin. So give heat like this, as much your skin can take it. do moksa. And when you do moksa, this itself is going to cure your chest area. And according to further levels, center phalange of each finger has got chest points. So do moksa here also. As much your skin can take it. You can put it far or near according to your how much you can take. So after doing moksa, you have to put it in water, the tip of the moksa. And now you can use it again the next time. Now this area is nicely warmed up. After it's nicely warmed up, put the garlic. The juicy part of garlic will touch the skin. The juicy part will touch the skin. So put the garlic here on chest area and cover it nicely. And one garlic flake you can also put in the index finger center phalange. Again same, the juicy part will touch the skin like this. Believe me, just doing this much will take care of your cold. Put it at night, in the morning, your cold will either disappear or the intensity will reduce to the maximum. Now, in case you're using moksa garlic for the first time, please keep checking, because some people are very sensitive. Their skin is very sensitive. If it becomes red, then you remove it. But out of 100, only 2-3 people will have this problem. In case your skin is too sensitive and can't take this, then you can put either peppercorn or ajwain seeds. But believe me, garlic is very, very effective, very, very effective. If your skin can take garlic, please apply garlic here on this area. Now, children, small children, their skin is very sensitive, especially the lab babies, and you should not give medicine also to the small children. So what you can do, I'll show you. One second. Now for children, on this area, on both hands, on throat and chest area, and on feet also the same way. I'll show you how you can do it. Put mustard oil or till oil. Put peppercorn, garlic, long, that is cloves, and ajwain. Burn it, and with that oil do the massage here, and also on the feet. Please have a look. On the feet here, this area of the feet, this and this area, in both the feet. Do the massage with this oil, and make them wear the gloves and socks, and you will see in the morning the intensity of cold will almost be as good as nil. So this is for cold. Now for cough. This is the area of our throat. Let me show you. This is the area of your throat. This is the throat area, and in case this is the windpipe. So in case you can find the painful points, then look for the painful point and mark it with green color. Then you massage it nicely. Even with ring you can do massage, good massage. Even in fingers, do good massage of the first joint. And after warming it up nicely, put the peppercorn peppercorn or buckwheat seeds here on the chest area and press it nicely, and even in the finger put a peppercorn, 3 peppercorns like this, and any finger you can do it, take it after warming it up, and put the peppercorn like this and keep pressing. And in case you have dry cough, for dry cough, what do you take? Honey and ginger. So put ginger and honey paste, massage it here nicely. But after doing good massage of ginger and honey, this area becomes nice and warm. Then you can put mustard seeds. You have mustard seeds, grind it nice and thick, and put the mustard plaster here. Even in this area you can do it. Mustard plaster. So you will see the phlegm will also come out, and the dry cough also will be taken care of. And along with that, our adrenal glands should be massaged. These are the points of our adrenal glands. These 2 points, like this you go. These are the points of adrenal glands. So massage it. Even in finger system, in every finger you will find it here. So after doing good massage, you can put the peppercorn here, one peppercorn here. And one more thing is very good for our cough and cough especially. Twist your thumb clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. And good wrist massage will take care of your diaphragm line, and also the massage of this diaphragm line, which you call lifeline, is also your diaphragm line. Good massage of this diaphragm line. And also this area should be massaged, this area, and you can put the methi seeds here. So this is how you can take care of your cough, cold and fever, and believe me, you will get very good results by using your auto repair system of Sujok. Sujok is a very wonderful self-healing therapy, and we should activate the self-repair system to heal ourselves. Smile, thanks.